Hi everyone, and welcome to this Delta Module 1 exam primer course. As you can see by now, you will have hopefully logged in and you can see the different components of the course. An easier way of doing this is to click on this sidebar here and navigate through the different course units. First one is an introduction to the modules. And there's a copy of the handbook, announcements, some advice from ELTCon's course, which is a really great website, as you all know, why people may fail at different parts of the exam. We've done that mostly in session, in our recent tips session, but it never hurts to review that and to have that in writing as well. So this is a very quick way of navigating through the different parts of the course. Let me just get back to that. So this one is organized by paper. So you have paper 1 and 2, in tasks 1 and 2 are bunched together because they're both terminology questions. Then we have paper 1, task 3. For each of the papers, we have an introduction to the paper with a quick video, which is mostly what we did in session, so you really don't need to watch it unless you missed the session. Some exam tips for tasks 1 and 2 in text, just a reminder. If you want to try out marking each other's work, you can post some answers of past papers in this forum, so you can look at each other's work. And then there's a glossary with examples from ELTCon's. So if you click on that, you will find yourself on that specific page with all this huge alphabetical listing. And all the words that you need to know for your Module 1 work. Now, as you can see, the modules are here, and each paper is dealt with differently, and there are some chief examiner's reports prior to 2015 where there were some changes, and this little video is intended to just make a note about these changes, because they are all in a document, which I'm going to just show you in a moment. And there you are. This is the summary of the changes to Delta Module 1 examination as of 2015. And the 2015 question paper, June in fact, is the only one for which we have a full examiner's report. Following that, unfortunately, Cambridge decided not to publish any more examiner's reports, so therefore we're driving blind in some respects, if you like. Before that, we have a lot of different papers. So this is a complete summary, and I am going to upload a copy or give you a link. But some of the practice material that we have in this Moodle course is from past years, because we only have 4 or 5 years for which we do have Joint Chief Examiners reports for both question papers. And the changes are not that many, as you see. For example, in the new one, there were 4 tasks in paper 1 This is one of the main changes. And in paper 2, and in the new format, there are 3 tasks. And essentially, what has happened is that in the new format, task 2 is a combination of tasks 2 and 3 of previous years. In previous years, it used to be called part 1 and part 2. So I would suggest, for purposes of giving yourself opportunities for practice, extra practice, use these past papers, which I have linked to different sections of this Moodle course, and use them to read the absolutely wonderful and detailed Joint Chief Examiner's reports, which show you guideline answers, good papers, good answers, and why they got all the marks, poor answers, and why they didn't get the marks, and general suggestions for the different papers. So I'm going to stop here and let you get on with your practice.